The Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport combines the winning formula of the 7-seater Atlas, ample interior space, plus a host of comfort and technology features at an attractive price with bold design for a stylish 5-seater. Assembled in Chattanooga, Tennessee, the Atlas Cross Sport combines hallmark Volkswagen driving dynamics and attention to detail, setting it apart from the competition. Atlas Cross Sport offers an upscale 3-bar chrome grille as well as an aggressively styled front bumper. All Atlas Cross Sport models feature full LED exterior lighting, including low beams, high beams, DRLs, side marker lights, and taillights. SEL and SEL Premium models add standard 900-lumen LED headlights with Volkswagen's adaptive front lighting system. The Atlas Cross Sport lineup features a plethora of wheel options. SE trims feature standard 18-20-inch. SEL Premium R-Line trims are equipped with 21-inch two-tone machined alloy wheels. The interior design of the Atlas Cross Sport is classic Volkswagen, clean and functional with a premium feel. Driver controls are positioned for optimal ergonomics and usability, and simple, driver-centric displays enhance involvement behind the wheel. The seat position, shifter height, and the spacing between the pedals are all designed with maximum driver comfort and safety in mind. All Atlas Cross Sports come with a touchscreen infotainment display providing both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. A reconfigurable digital gauge display is also standard across the lineup. Navigation is optional, as is Sirius XM satellite radio. VW's CarNet connectivity app allows for remote starting and analytics. Plus, a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot lets occupants remain connected to the internet while on the go. Volkswagen offers a choice of a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 with 235 HP and 258 lb-ft of torque, and a 3.6-liter V6 engine develops 276 HP and 266 lb-ft. The Atlas Cross Sport is available with both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive, and both engines pair with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Both units feature start/stop technology. This technology stops the engine during idle when the brake pedal is held. Fuel economy isn't very impressive either. With the 4-cylinder engine, the 2022 Atlas Cross Sport gets 21/25 mpg city/highway or 20/24 mpg with AWD. With the V6, the SUV is rated 18/24 mpg in both FWD and AWD guises.